Hello, this is a video to help you feel more empowered in using your bow hold buddy, which my students will know I frequently call bow frogs. They can be a little scary to put on, so it's my hope that by watching this video, you will feel more confident in installing it yourself. Now, you will need your bow hold buddy. You will also need your bow. Remember, these are only for violin and viola bows. If you are a cello or bass player, they have different accessories for you. You should not be putting these on your bow. So, step one is you need to know what we're looking at. Our frog has to be, in order to put this on your bow, you have to take the bow apart. Our fish can be used without taking the bow apart. This will be put on afterwards. Step one is being sure not to touch the bow hairs. You are going to unscrew the screw fully. So you're going to be turning it towards you. You're going to keep going until you see this actually fully starting to come out of its place. You're going to keep unscrewing it. Eventually, you will find the screw can just be removed. Once you do that, one hand on the stick, one hand on the frog, and you're just going to simply separate them. If you get resistance, you might need to move it up or down slightly, but you need to be very careful not to pull or force anything. Once they are separated, you want to watch out that the bow hair doesn't become twisted around itself, because then when you reinstall this, it's going to, you're going to run into issues. So now that the bow stick and the hair are separated, you're going to take the frog, and you notice that there is a hole that goes right through the middle. You're going to slide the frog through the stick, and he's going to go up and up and up. And depending on the material of your wrapping here, whether it's rubber or leather or metal, you're going to slide it until you just start to feel resistance there. Don't push it too much. You're going to take that bow hair and you're going to double check that it's not twisted. And then you need to make sure that the bow frog is aligned properly. You're going to take the frog and you're going to reinsert the frog into the slot. Okay? I'll do that again. See here, you can see this is where it goes. You're going to take that frog and it's going to go into the stick. You're going to hold this taut. You're going to hold this in place. Take the screw and you're going to screw it back in. You can tighten the bow to the normal amount, and then you're going to take the fish. See, it's a little fishy, and the fishy needs to swim to his buddy the frog. So make sure that the fish is swimming towards the frog, not away from him, because they're friends. Now that you've done this, you have your bow buddy installed and ready to use. Here's a quick review on how you're going to use it. Make your bow hold. Remember, our beautiful llama bow holds have flappy ears, a curved nose, and a bitey mouth. Your thumb is going to go inside of the frog. The pointer finger sits underneath the frog's mouth, and the middle finger and ring finger are going to be behind the frog. Your pinky goes into a push-up on the fishy. I hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, remember to always ask your teacher for help. Don't ever try to do it yourself if you are confused. Happy practicing!